kwa ushindi huo Ferdinand Omanyala. Tukiendelea, timu ya FC Leopards imeilalamikia adhabu ya shilingi Laki 5 waliopewa na shirikisho la kandanda nchini FKF kwa kuzusha rabsha kwenye mechi kati yao na Kakamega Homeboys. Mwenyekiti Dan Shikanda ameliomba shirikisho kupunguzia adhabu hiyo.
It was a sham because it is only us who presented. The key reports from the referee was not there, from Homeboys was not there, from the match commissioner was not there. No one was cross-examined. So we believe that by the time they were calling for that meeting, they had already made decisions, number one. Number two, the sanctions they've given us. When you tell us you are locking our fans out for 4 matches and at the same time fining us 500,000, that is a double punishment. Are you looking at finances to punish us, or what is behind this decision you're making? Because when you fine us, it has a financial implication to us. When you lock out our members, our fans, it has a financial implication to us. Secondly, you are trying to punish the members. But at the same time, these are the members, these are the fans who make the game beautiful. Do you think that that punishment or those sanctions will actually deter them from doing the same next time?
Na shule